can't help, consider, delay, deny, enjoy, finish, mind, miss, postpone, practice, quit, recall, report, resent, resist, resume, risk, suggest. इनके बाद आने वाला जो वर्ब होगा that must be in the gerund form. Let's look at the few examples. John admitted stealing the jewels. Stealing the jewels. Now stealing is a gerund form of verb in the ing form. We enjoyed seeing them again after so many years. Enjoy के बाद आपका जो verb है that is in the gerund form. You should not risk entering this building in its present condition. Risk के बाद आपके पास जो verb है that is in the ing या gerund form. Michael was considering buying a new car until the prices went up. So considering के बाद आपके पास जो verb है that is in the ing form which is a gerund verb form. The Coast Guard has reported seeing another ship in the Florida Straits. So reported के बाद आपके पास जो verb है that is in the gerund verb form. And final example, would you mind not smoking in this office? Again आपके पास जो verb के बाद जो verb gerund form में आएगा that is in the that smoking which is in the ing form. So this and having keeping all these concept into mind, एक important चीज़ आपको और बताने हैं कि आपने जब इन sentences को negative form में convert करना हो, be it a sentence of an infinitive form or having verb in the infinitive form या gerund form, तो आपने ऐसे sentences को negative बनाने के लिए सिर्फ आपने negative article not को just before your infinitive और gerund verb form से पहले ही लिख देना है. For example, John decided not to buy the car. आपको मालूम था decided के बाद हम to buy लिखते हैं because it's infinitive verb form. तो आपने just इस sentence को negative बनाने के लिए not के article को insert करना है to buy से पहले. इसी तरीके से we regretted not going to the party last night. So regret के बाद आपके पास gerund verb form था and to make the sentence negative you just inserted the negative article not before the gerund form of verb. So just to know how to make these sentences negative, you just insert the word article negative and the whole not and the whole sentence will make you sense.